3-inch. It's hot and it's windy. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see these trees brushing and blowing around. We'll see if it can handle it. I've done a pit toolbox tune on it. It's coming in pretty heavy at about 360 grams with this setup. 6S. And yeah, what the heck. I did 2 near flyways inside of my house. So, thank goodness for pit toolbox. We didn't rotate to the inside of the house, otherwise I would have lost this already. And who knows, I may lose it right now. Alright, so just in case you're not aware of how windy this is, I have to fly with my mask on today. I had a ton of dirt just flowing into my eyeballs right now. But we're gonna send it. We have to. We have to. Alright guys, just got too quaddy here, so you gotta pick up now. But the Amaxinno, I don't know, it's a 3-inch quad, 1407 Xylo motors on it, Speedy B, F7 slide stack, all together up there with a Vista, and plenty of room. Look at that stack. You can put your double stack in there, and your Vista, and your camera. Well, I'm running the GoPro, but the Thumb Pro. And this whole weight right now is 360 grams. And in this wind, it took it like it was nothing. 6 grams. So I had to turn it with 6 pit toolbox. I took it up that mountain as we normally do, and come down and mess around with the trees. But definitely no problem for this little guy, because he's over 249 grams. He's 364, and I don't care. A little powerhouse. All right, guys, that's what I got for now.